If you have mocks coming up, you need to make sure you do these 3 things in your revision. Year 10s and Year 12s, this video is for you because this is probably your first proper set of mocks. So be sure to save this video for later and follow for daily study tips. The first thing that you need to understand is that when you're revising, you don't need to revise everything. You need to work on your weakest topic area. So these mocks are only going to be for 1 year's worth of content, as in Year 10 content or Year 12. Within this year, within this academic year, identify what it is that you have struggled with. Do this by using a RAG checklist. Check the link in my comments. I've got an entire YouTube video explaining this. This is how you actually increase your grade by targeting your weakest areas, because there's quite simply not enough time to revise absolutely everything in detail. 2, you need to make sure you're incorporating active recall. This is thrown around the internet and there are so many different techniques, it's not just blurting. But you need to figure out which strategy works for you for each subject, because it's not just, oh, I'm good at flashcards so I do them for everything. What about maths? You can't really use flashcards in maths very effectively. Number 3, the order of your revision should be identify your weak areas, do active recall on it, but then do practice paper questions. There's no point in doing any of the previous steps if you can't apply your knowledge in an exam setting. Be familiar with the format of the exam. How long is the exam going to be? What kind of questions are going to be on it? In history, the same questions come up every year, or the same question format. The reason that using practice papers is so effective is because you get used to the format of the exam, but you also understand how marks are broken down. So like in English literature, you could know everything about Macbeth, but if you don't know how to format an essay and what the examiner is looking for, or what makes a good answer, or what paragraph structure to use, you're still not going to get a top grade. I have got so many more tips for revising for mock exams. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to follow for more daily study tips.